Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Matthew Sajji, and guys, in this video I wanted to show you, like exactly what is going to happen when you, take this opportunity. And like I wanted to show you, like once you take this opportunity, what you need to do next and what you need to do now, like to take this opportunity before you miss out this opportunity deal. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, right now you are in this page, right? So just scroll down and click on this button. All right, just go to the end of the page and click here to get everything plus personal lifetime customer support. If you click and take action, all right, just click there, and once you click there, you are going to reach a page which is going to look something like this. All right, and you can see all the reviews and stuffs like that. All right, so once you reach this page, just ask yourself, do you want a list of 127 plus paid survey companies plus bonuses worth $224 for just $5 instead of paying $224, or like like working for like I don't know 4 hours 5 hours every day for like days and days? Or do you want to like just pay $5 and get everything instantly? If you just want to pay $5 instead of paying $224 and working like hours for days and get a list of 127 paid survey companies, then like just click on this link. All right, then follow the basic on-screen instructions and just pay $5 to get this super list of 127 paid survey companies. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I will show you exactly what is going to happen to you once you make the payment. All right, so once you make the payment, you are going to reach a page which is going to look something like this. All right, and as you can see, there will be the buyer's name here, the date, the amount they paid, excluding the processing fee, which is like 50 cents. So basically you will have to pay $5.50. The 50 cents goes to Fiverr for processing and stuff. Like you want to make safe payments, right? So you are paying Fiverr 50 cents so that all your information will be safe. And PayPal will protect you. Like Fiverr and PayPal are doing through a deal, and Fiverr pays this 50 cents to PayPal. So if you want your information to be safe, if you want to make a safe payment, then like you are just paying 50 cents for your safety. All right, okay. So once you make the payment, you will reach a page like this, and you can just scroll down, and I will give you and I'm giving you a simple instruction like, hey, before I start working on this order, I need to receive the following details. All right, and all I'm saying is it worked. I will send you everything as soon as Fiverr notifies me about your purchase, and usually in 30 minutes after proxy verification. So Fiverr will be checking like is some robot doing all this, and or like maybe I am hiring somebody to make a payment and all those stuffs, right? So Fiverr is checking that, and it will take like usually 30 minutes or something like that. And then all I'm saying is, so come back to fiverr.com in 1 hour, and the survey companies list and all the bonuses should be below this message. All right, but first, in order for this like order to start, you need to write begin or start below as a reply. All right, so what that means is like, once you make the payment and once you read all these steps, there will be like in your page there will be a place to write message. Like there is a place to write reply. So all you need to do is like, this guy send me something else, like can you send to this email? But you can just write like begin or start. All right, and as soon as you write something here, it really doesn't matter what you write, but as long as you write something, like you can ask maybe a doubt or something, and the order will start. All right, and then just go down, and like in about an hour's time, usually I will provide before an hour, because like it will take at least 30 minutes for proxy verification, but as soon as Fiverr notifies me, I will usually give you instant access. All right, so once Fiverr has verified done proxy verification, like I will be sending you a message something like this: hey, below is the 127 plus survey companies plus link to the PDF document. All right, and a special bonus gift from me to you: 3 tips to get invited to 387 plus 87% more surveys to take and make over 72% more money per surveys. And like the software to fasten signing up is given with all the bonuses and everything is given along. And also, like I promise, I also offer free lifetime customer support for all my customers. So feel free to message me on Fiverr if you have any doubts or any questions. Don't worry, we can sort anything and everything out and get you earning. Thanks. And like this paid feature is only for people who take action within the 3 hours they reach the previous page. All right. So if you like the page that you are in right now, you have like 3 hours to like click on this link or any link in the page, go through here, click on order now, come through here. All right, because if you take more than 3 hours, I won't be able to provide this offer, because I want to help people who have the guts, right, who have the like ability to go after like see a chance and like take it. All right. All right, so once I give them, so let's see. So this the first link is 127 plus paid survey company resource. So once you go there, the page looks something like this. Like you can just go look at all the survey companies, right? So I'm just giving you more and more survey companies, and at the end, that's it. So I just wanted to also show you some of the bonuses here. Look at this. This company pays earn up to $50 to $250 per paid study, $50 to $200 or more, $50 to $250. And check this out. The last one is a super company which pays up to $1,000 per survey. All right. And what they do is like like if you complete one survey, they will give you up to $1,000 rewards. Like they will give you $1,000 like cash, and you can make like $1,000 per survey. All right. So imagine like if your target income is like $5,000, then you have this company, right? So you just need to take 5 surveys from this company, and boom, you reached your target income. So like you just need to work 5 hours, not per day but per month, to reach your dream target income. All right. So that's like what you're going to get right now when you take on this opportunity. And now let's go through the bonus, right? So when you click on this link, you will reach a page which looks something like this. All right. So these will be the tips which you will be learning, like like on ways to like make 387% more money per survey, and a trick on like how to get 72% more surveys mailed your way. So not only you are going to make like like you are making like $6,000 from all the 127 plus paid survey companies, but you are learning a way to make 387% more money per each taken survey, because like you are learning some tricks to become more valuable for the survey company, and as a result they will pay you like up to 387% more money, and they will invite you to 72% more surveys. So you will be making 387% more money from 72% more surveys. All right. So just imagine how much more money you will be making when like when you're going to apply these 3 simple tips and tricks that you're going to learn here. All right. And you can get everything, and like all the other bonuses for like just $5. All right. So I recommend you to go here, click here, and then reach here, and like get everything for just $5. All right. So that's all for now. Thank you, and I hope this video was helpful. All the best.